Open your bank statement, look at how much you are spending on AI tools every single month. ChatGPT Pro, Claude Pro, Cursor, Gemini Advanced, some random thing called FlowSync, a Notion AI subscription you forgot you had. If your AI subscriptions cost more than your rent, this video is for you. I've audited the AI stacks of more than 100 marketing agencies and B2B businesses in the last 12 months. 90% of them are lighting money on fire. They have 30 tools doing the job, 5 tools could do better. In the next 9 minutes, I'm going to show you the only 5 AI tools you actually need to scale a marketing agency in 2026. And the 3 tools you should cancel today before your CFO finds out. Let's go. Quick thing first, this isn't for beginners. If you are not making at least solid revenue every month, close this video. Go figure out your offer first, come back later. This is for marketing owners and B2B founders who already have clients, already have a team, already have an offer that converts, and are just buried under too many AI subscriptions and not enough results. If that's you, lean in. The real pain. Let me describe your week. It's Sunday night. You open your laptop to test out a new AI tool you saved from a YouTube video on Wednesday. The tool is fine. You don't really need it, but you signed up anyway because the thumbnail had a guy pointing at the screen with a shocked face. Now it's Monday. You are paying for it, plus the other 14 tools you signed up for the same way. You haven't used 11 of them in 30 days, but you keep paying. That's not a strategy. We are fixing that today. I'm going to walk you through the 5 AI tools that handle every single thing a marketing agency needs to run, scale, and print money. Then I'm going to roast 3 tools you need to delete this week, plus the mindset that keeps you from drowning in shiny new toys ever again. Tight, direct, no fluff. Let's start. Quick thing, before we dive into the stack, if everything I'm about to show you sounds like a lot of work, building it, learning it, stitching it together, that's exactly what I do for marketing agencies, B2B founders, and SaaS companies. I map your exact recipe, I install the AI engine, and I bring you 5 to 6 highly targeted clients every single month, your dream prospects ready to buy. You don't have to learn the tools, you don't have to figure it out. The link is in the description. Book a call. We'll map your ICP live on the call. If we can help, we will. If we can't, we'll tell you. Okay, back to the stack. Tool 1, Clay, the brain. Clay is your data brain. If you are doing B2B outreach in 2026 without Clay, you are playing tic-tac-toe while everyone else is playing chess. You drop in a list of companies. Clay enriches every contact with their LinkedIn, email, recent post, hiring signals, funding signals, take stack, every data point that exists. Then you stack signals. So many marketing agency owners hiring sales reps and just raise funding, and the last LinkedIn post complained about CAC. Boom! That's not a lead list, that's a buying window list. Clay does in 5 minutes what your VA spent 3 weeks doing badly. And no, your VA is not faster. I love your VA is not faster. Tool 2, Cloud Code, the operator. This is a tool nobody is talking about correctly. Cloud Code is not for coders. It's an AI operator that lives on your computer and runs your business. You give it a folder. Anything you put in that folder, Cloud can read, write, analyze, automate, summarize, scale. I use it to write hyper-personalized cold image at scale, run prospect research on autopilot, build internal automations my team uses every day, draft content scripts, pull data patterns from sales call transcripts. If ChatGPT is a hammer, Cloud Code is the entire tool set. And here's the funny part. Most agency owners are paying $200 a month for ChatGPT Pro, and they have never even opened Cloud Code. Stop that. Tool 3, Harris, the soldier. For LinkedIn outreach, this is the one. Harris handles connection requests, follow-ups, comment engagement, and DM sequencing. It plays nice with Clay, it plays nice with Sales Navigator, it plays nice with the team. Most importantly, it doesn't get your account banned. If you are still doing LinkedIn outreach manually, you are a saint. But you are a poor saint. Plug in Harris, watch your team get back 15 hours a week. Tool 4, Smartly, the sniper. For cold email, you need Smartly. Smartly handles your email infrastructure, domain warm-up, inbox rotation, deliverability sequencing. Here's the part everyone screws up. If you are sending cold emails from your main domain, congratulations. You just need your business email, your team's email, and your ability to send anyone anything ever again. Use Smartly with secondary domains, although this is non-negotiable. If you are not using something like Smartly in 2026, your cold email isn't a strategy, it's a slow motion suicide. Tool 5, Granola, the mirror. Now this one nobody talks about correctly. Granola sits on every sales call you take and creates a clean transcript. Most agency owners use granola for meeting notes. That's like buying a Ferrari to go to the grocery store. Here's the elite move. Take 90 days of sales call transcripts, drop them into Claude Code, ask Claude, read all of this. Pull the exact words my prospect used to describe their pain. Find the patterns. Tell me what they really care about. Now you have content gold. You have email copy that sounds like your prospect's brain. You have offer language that converts because it's literally their words. Most agencies pay $5,000 a month for a copywriter to guess. You are using Granola plus Claude Code to know. That's the difference between a $50K month and a $200K month. Now the 3 tools to kill this week. You have got the 5 you need. Now let me roast the 3 you should delete before your CFO sees the Stripe statement. Kill number 1, ChatGPT Pro for most use cases. I know, hear me out. ChatGPT is fine for asking what time the Eagles game is on. For real work, writing out his copy, doing research, building automations, Claude Code eats it alive. ChatGPT writes emails that sound like ChatGPT wrote them. Your prospects can smell it from a mile away. If you are paying $200 a month for ChatGPT Pro and you have Claude, cancel ChatGPT today. Save the $200, use it on a smart lead account. Kill number 2, every all-in-one AI marketing platform. You know the ones. They promise to do lead gen plus content plus email plus social media plus your laundry all-in-one platform for $499 a month. These tools are average at everything. Specialists beat generalists every time in B2B. Cancel the all-in-one, use the 5 tools above, save thousands. Kill number 3, anything with AI in the name that you signed up for last Tuesday. If you can't remember why you bought it, cancel it. If you have used it less than 3 times in the last 30 days, cancel it. If you signed up because a YouTuber held it up like a holy relic, cancel it. You are not running a marketing agency, you are running an AI tool collection. One thing nobody is telling you, the reason you keep buying tools is because you are trying to fix the wrong problem. You don't have a tool problem, you have a workflow problem. Adding more tools to a broken workflow doesn't fix the workflow. You just add more tools to the broken workflow. Fix the process first, then plug in tools. Here's the rule I run in my entire business by. If a tool doesn't directly help me close more deals, deliver better results to clients, or get my team out of my hair, it's not a tool, it's a hobby. Cancel hobbies, keep tools, watch your bank account, thank you. Okay, now the stack summary. Your entire AI stack for running a serious marketing agency 2026. Clay for data and signal stacking, Claude Code for operations and copy, Rich for LinkedIn outreach, SmartLead for cold email, Granola for sales call intel. That's it. 5 tools, roughly $300 to $500 a month total, replacing the $3,000 to $5,000 a month most agencies are paying for tools they don't use. You just bought yourself a vacation, you are welcome. Alright, we covered a lot in a short video. If you are a marketing agency owner, B2B founder or SaaS operator, and you'd rather just have me build this entire engine inside your business instead of spending the next 6 months figuring it out yourself, that's exactly what I do. I work with marketing agencies, B2B businesses, and SaaS companies. I map your exact ICP, and I bring you 5 to 6 highly targeted clients every single month. Your dream prospects ready to buy. The link is in the description. Book a call. We'll map your ICP live on the call and tell you exactly what we would do. If we can help, we will. If we can't, we'll tell you that too. We don't take everyone. If you got value out of this video, you subscribe. I drop one of these every week. Real systems, real stacks, no flop. Also like this video, and I'll see you in the next video.